Nestled in the heart of Granollers, a picturesque city in the Catalonia region of Spain, lies Passeig Francesc Fabregas. This charming avenue, located at 51-08401 Granollers, Barcelona, is a vibrant gem that captivates locals and visitors alike. With its delightful blend of historical architecture, cultural attractions, and a lively atmosphere, Passeig Francesc Fabregas offers a truly memorable experience for all who wander its streets. Historical significance. Passeig Francesc Fabregas boasts a rich history that dates back centuries. The avenue was named after Francesc Fabregas I Beltran, a renowned Catalan politician and lawyer who played a significant role in the city's development. As you stroll along the charming boulevard, you can't help but admire the well-preserved facades of the historic buildings that reflect the area's architectural heritage. Architectural marvels. One of the highlights of Passeig Francesc Fabregas is its stunning architectural diversity. From Gothic-inspired structures to elegant Art Nouveau designs, the avenue showcases a fascinating tapestry of architectural styles. The facades feature intricate details, colorful tiles, and ornate balconies, which add to the visual splendor of the surroundings. Take a moment to marvel at the craftsmanship and appreciate the historical significance of each building. Cultural attractions. Culture enthusiasts will find themselves immersed in a wealth of artistic and cultural experiences along Passeig Francesc Fabregas. The avenue is home to several museums, galleries, and cultural centers that celebrate the city's heritage. History buffs can visit the Granollers Museum, which showcases a remarkable collection of archaeological artifacts and local history. Additionally, art lovers can explore contemporary works at the GAC Gallery, providing a glimpse into the thriving artistic scene of the region. Gastronomic delights. No visit to Passeig Francesc Fabregas would be complete without indulging in the culinary delights offered by its diverse range of eateries. From traditional Catalan cuisine to international flavors, the avenue boasts an array of restaurants, cafes, and tapas bars to suit every palate. Whether you're craving tapas, paella, or mouth-watering pastries, the gastronomic options here are sure to satisfy your cravings. Shopping and entertainment. Passeig Francesc Fabregas offers a delightful shopping experience for fashion enthusiasts and avid shoppers. The avenue features a blend of boutiques, designer stores, and local shops, where you can find unique treasures and fashion-forward pieces. The vibrant atmosphere continues into the evening, with a variety of bars and clubs lining the street, providing an opportunity to unwind and enjoy the city's nightlife. Community and festivities. The avenue serves as a focal point for community gatherings and celebrations throughout the year. Local festivals and events often take place along Passeig Francesc Fabregas, showcasing the city's vibrant spirit and cultural traditions. These festivities create a lively ambience, drawing locals and visitors together to celebrate and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Conclusion. Passeig Francesc Fabregas, located in Granollers, Barcelona, is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends history, culture, and modernity. With its striking architecture, cultural attractions, gastronomic delights, and lively ambience, this charming avenue offers a truly immersive experience for all who venture here. Whether you are a history buff, an art enthusiast, a food lover, or simply seeking a vibrant atmosphere, Passeig Francesc Fabregas is a must-visit.